split stretching with me. So let's start. First we will start we take over the back and stretch things and take our thing here. So let's start with me. We first start to push it in different side and back. So I do this. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Now I will take it on your knees. Take it here. Take it. And starting use. So open like a different side. So 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, and 4, back, and 5. Stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Now I will change position. So I will take my leg here, take it here, and we will finish. And you can see another exercise in another video. So I will breathe on, and so we breathe out until we go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching this video. I wish you liked the follow me. So bye.